Imagine this. You love video games. Yes, I know. Stretch your imagination. You love watching TV. That's also a big stretch. And you find yourself sitting a lot. I don't know about this. You end up having a sedentary lifestyle. That means you're not very active. You're sitting a lot. You're not getting out and exercising. What's wrong with that, you might ask? Well, unfortunately, a lot. We cannot just sit and be healthy. There are so many benefits to exercise. It helps your brain, keeps your mind focused. It helps you have better memory. Learning is improved. You can remember stuff better. It reduces stress. Big stress buster. It helps you sleep better. A big thing when you are exercising, it releases endorphins. And these endorphins are going to help you feel happier, feel better just about life. And the cool thing about that is exercise can help you decrease depression, so you feel happier. It's decreasing other mental illnesses. And especially if you have that in your family, really important to keep exercising because it's going to help you just be in an overall better mood. It can severely decrease your risks for mental illness. Plus, you feel a sense of accomplishment, especially if you're learning something new while you exercise. Exercise also is going to help you maintain a healthy weight. Regular exercise can help keep you at the healthy weight that is good for your body and that you desire. It's going to help lower your risk of many diseases. Anytime you look at a disease and it says, oh, what can you do to help it? Exercise. Exercise immensely improves your overall health. It can lower your risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, and a lot of cancers can also be improved through exercise or prevented with exercise. It also helps increase your bones, your bone mass, your muscle mass, and helps in your flexibility. Exercise is great for your lungs and heart. They need workouts just along with the rest of your body. Exercise helps with your stress levels and it helps you sleep better. So you exercise during the day and you sleep better at night. It is a win-win. Exercise is going to increase your overall energy level, and that's really going to help you throughout your day and through life. It's going to help you accomplish your goals. Exercise also increases your blood flow, which is going to really help your skin, believe it or not. It's going to help repair cells. Exercise is going to help you repair cells, which in return is going to help you feel and look younger. And this might not be a concern when you are young, but as you age, you're really going to want to feel and look your best and be able to enjoy life. So exercise, the best thing is it's going to increase your quality of life. You are going to have a better life because you exercise. So, in summary, exercise does so much for us. You do not want to be like this person we're drawing, You do not want to be a couch potato. You want to have the best life that you can possibly have and be able to do all the things that you want to do. And you can't do that if you have diseases, if you're not feeling your best, if you are sick. If you want to fight against disease and be the best version of yourself that you can be, don't be like this couch potato. Exercise.